Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. 45 more schools will participate in this season's ISA schoolboy football competition, which kicks off on September 10 across the island. A total of 118 schools will take part, up from 73 last season. 81 schools will vie for the Rural Area Da Costa Cup from 15 zones, while 37 will take part in 6 groups in the Urban Area Manning Cup. The season will also have 3 knockout competitions: the Walker Cup, Ben Francis Cup and an all-island knockout competition. In the Walker Cup, 8 teams that didn't advance to the Manning Cup round of 16 will start the competition, with the winners to face the 4 losers from the Manning Cup round of 16 in the quarterfinals. Ben Francis will take on a similar format with 16 teams which didn't advance after the second round squaring off. The 4 winners from that round will face 4 losers in the Da Costa Cup quarterfinals, and they'll play in the last 8. Reggae Boys interim head coach Merron Gordon says he was proud of the team despite their 3-0 loss to Morocco in the first match in the 4-team friendly tournament in Austria. The locally based members of the Reggae Boys squad are currently in their off-season, and Gordon says that had a large role to play in the team's performance.
The longer the game goes, is the more you realize, the fitness will show. And the muscular strength will show also, because, these guys are very strong, Moroccans. But, I think we did well. I think, with a limited time of preparation, I think the group really responded well.
The Reggae Boys will next play Qatar on Friday. The match against Ghana, which was scheduled for Saturday, was cancelled due to the late arrival of the African team to Austria. Now, Jamaica's under-15s secured their first win at the CWI Rising Stars Under-15 Championship, defeating Barbados on Tuesday in a rain-affected encounter. Batting first, the young Jamaicans posted 79 for 8 off 16 overs. Pajay Nelson made 16 and Adrian Silveira 17 not out. Jaden Chase took 3 for 10 for the young Bajans. Set to revise the target of 78 from 13 overs via the Duckworth-Lewis method, Barbados were restricted to 69 for 2 in 12.3 overs. Shem Sargent made 24, while DeMarco Wiggins chipped in with 16. The young Jamaicans had lost to Trinidad and Tobago in their opening match over the weekend. Jamaica's 3 women who swept the 100 metres at the World Athletics Championships, Shelley-Ann Fraser-Price, Sharika Jackson and Elaine Thompson-Hero, will clash in the Lausanne Diamond League meet on a Friday. The race is almost a full rematch of the World Championships final, with the likes of Marie-Josée Talou of the Ivory Coast and Aliyah Hobbs of the United States also in the field. Olympic gold medalist Hansel Parchment will also renew his rivalry with American world champion Grant Holloway in the men's 110-metre hurdles, while Rashid Broadbell looks to build on his recent Commonwealth Games winning performance in Birmingham. Stephanie McPherson and Candice McLeod are once again expected to line up in the 400 metres, alongside World Championships medalists Marilady Paulino and Shade Williams. World Championships triple jump silver medalist Shanika Ricketts will also be back in action, taking on world and Olympic champion and world record holder Yulimar Rojas in the women's triple jump. And that's going to do it then for your midday sports. I'm Jordan Fort. Back to you, Herman.